At the forefront, sustainable development and innovation-driven transformation. Nanwang leads China's industry with a clear mission: greener packing, better world. With firm responsibility and ambition, we are committed to leading the industry and becoming the most trusted partner of world-class brands. As the first listed company in China specializing in eco-friendly paper bags, Nanwang has maintained rapid growth since its establishment in 2010. By 2024, we have built hundreds of internationally advanced automated production lines, with total assets exceeding $360 million. Our product portfolio is built around 4 core lines: eco-friendly paper bags, food-grade paper packaging, non-woven bags, and thermal paper and labels. They serve a wide range of sectors, from fashion and retail and fast food and takeaway services, to personal care, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and logistics. Nanwang has been selected for the China Top 100 Printing and Packaging Enterprises, ranking for 7 consecutive years, and has received multiple national level honors, standing out as one of the outstanding representatives in China's eco-friendly packaging industry. Nanwang has built a global network with deep strategic deployment to meet customers' international expansion and global trade partner needs, ensuring highly efficient supply. Nanwang operates 5 core production bases across Fujian, Guangdong, Anhui, Hebei, and Hubei. Additionally, our overseas subsidiaries in Indonesia and Canada are fully in operation. Our worldwide manufacturing network enables localized supply and quick response, providing one-stop, full-range packaging solutions to customers in more than 200 countries and regions. Empowered by digital and intelligent technologies, Nanwang has deeply integrated 5G smart factories with the industrial internet. Our production equipment is interconnected, forming an end-to-end system that covers smart manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics. This enables an on-time order fulfillment rate of over 99%, shortens order lead times by 30%, and significantly improves overall resource utilization. We implement strict food process quality control, from raw material inspection through manufacturing to final packaging and shipping. This ensures complete traceability and strict compliance with global food safety and ISO management standards. By setting dual benchmarks in efficiency and quality, we serve as a leading drafter for over 10 industry, group, and national standards governing products such as paper bags, paper cups, and non-woven bags. Driven by deep insight into customer needs and consumer experience, Nanwang continues to innovate across dimensions and build a comprehensive portfolio of green packaging solutions. Our solutions range from paper express bags and PHA-coated paper bags that meet the paper instead of plastic trend, waterproof paper bags, waterproof labels, terminal register paper and labels, sticker and IP merchandise, self-sealing bags that enhance user experience, premium machine-made bags, linerless labels, and seamless non-woven bags achieve both environmental benefits and cost reduction. We also pioneer smart packaging with RFID and NFC for data interaction. With over 90 million yuan in R&D investment in the past 3 years and hundreds of patents worldwide, we are reshaping the value of packaging through continuous technological breakthroughs. Nanwang stands firmly by its sustainable commitment and green responsibility, dedicated to becoming a food chain value creator in green packaging. We select materials like recycled paper and eco-friendly water-based inks and adhesives. Backed by authoritative international certifications including FSC, BRCGS A+, and Sedex. Our photovoltaic power generation system reduces carbon emissions by more than 7,800 tons per year. And we promote full cycle recycling and reuse of production waste, ensuring every piece of packaging carries a green mission. Excellence within, expansion beyond. We will keep advancing our technology, quality, and innovation. Committed to our mission of greener packing, better world. We are advancing toward our vision of leading the industry and becoming the most trusted partner for world-class brands. We invite you to join us in this pursuit, building a more sustainable world together.